So AEP, Medicare AEP for 2023 is going to bring a lot of rich extra benefits to Medicare Advantage. Private Medicare, also known as Medicare Part C, PPOs, HMOs, and it varies tremendously based on where you live. So you're going to see nonstop TV ads. They're already running nationwide, and they are saying, have you claimed your grocery benefit? Have you claimed your dental benefit? Have you claimed your utilities or cell phone benefit or pet food or all these different things? None of that might be available where you live. Medicare Advantage benefits are based on your county and zip code. So if you live in Cincinnati, Ohio, you might not have any of these that you're seeing on TV. But just up the road in Akron, Ohio, there might be 15 plans with tremendous benefits. The insurance companies pick and choose what county they want to offer what benefits. So you're like, this doesn't make any sense. It makes sense. They're for profit and they have a method to their madness. So what benefits you are eligible for in 2023 are based on your zip code. And the person right across the street might be in a different zip code and they might have completely different benefits. And you think, this kind of looks like a scam. Why is my sister getting something I can't get? That's why. Now, just because you can get these tremendous benefits like grocery cards, maybe there is a plan in your area that offers grocery benefits, you might not want to make your decision based on that. Now, some people do. If you don't go to the doctor, you're perfectly healthy, you're one of those people that doesn't take any medication and you see the doctor once a year just for a checkup, you might want to make your decision on these extra benefits. The grocery card, the cell phone bill payment, the utility card, the pet food, or there's lots of different benefits that might be available in your area. If you're healthy, you might just want to max out those extra benefits, the money you can get back from Social Security, the money you can get for over-the-counter items at the pharmacy, the money you can get for dental. But if you have some health issues, or you might need a knee replacement, you might need a hysterectomy, you already are doctoring for several things, you want to buy your health insurance plan based on the best core benefits. What is the copay to see a doctor, to see a specialist? How big is the network? Can I go to the hospitals I would prefer if I have to have these surgeries? How much is my maximum risk, my total out of pocket for the year? How much does it cost if I'm hospitalized overnight? Because if I'm not looking at having any surgeries, I have to pay $500 a night to go to the hospital? I don't care, because I find it very unlikely. But if I'm somebody that's like, people in my family have a lot of cardiac issues at my age, maybe you should look at stronger core benefits versus all these sexy extra benefits. Just consider that an extra. But when you're going to talk to us at the Medicare Family, we want to talk to you about your personal, unique situation. It's not like, here's this great benefit, go get it. That's not the way to buy your health insurance. It's like buying a car just because it's a pretty color blue. But it has a terrible engine. The transmission's known to give out in the first 3 years. You don't want that car, right? Just because it's pretty color blue, those extra benefits, that's like a nice sunroof and a pretty color. You want to get core benefits that can cover your immediate and your expected health needs. And then, none of us have a crystal ball. What's going to happen? If you can get some great extra benefits in the same plan, then that's a win-win-win. If you want us to review your plan for 2023, you have between October 15th and December 7th of 2022. Your plan will start January 1st. Your mailbox is going to be full of everybody wanting to work with you. We do not call you. We do not mail you at the Medicare Family. If you want to work with us, you can book your own appointment. Go to our website, themedicarefamily.com. Top right-hand corner is a yellow box. You can book your appointment. Ask us to call you. We'd be happy to help you in whatever state you live in. We are licensed in all 50 states, and we represent over 35 different companies. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.